Hi guys! So I hope you can hear me. The air is really loud, but we are in our new condo. Jimmy actually went out for the day, so I thought I would film my condo tour, and I'm very excited about it. I'm not having help, so this is gonna be like a super old school, like showing you and pointing with my finger kind of a deal. But I'm very, very excited. I haven't even had my coffee yet today, so we'll probably grab that when we go in the kitchen. But I am so beyond excited right now. And I just want to say thank you to everyone. I don't know who's watching this, but anyone who bought us anything on our registry, I just think that was so lovely. And it really, really helped make our house a home. I mean, we've only been here almost, I think, 8 days now. We got the keys on the 30th of June, and we cleaned for like a week, like deep cleaned, because I wanted to give you guys some backstory. This place was built in the 80s, and it was not updated since then, pretty much. The floor was, and that was kind of it. So we had a lot of deep cleaning to do. I wanted to update as much as I could myself. And fun fact, we didn't know this when we first looked at the place, but it actually, the people who lived here, the woman had moved into a nursing home, so her daughter was selling the place, and the family, the son who had also passed, knew my parents, knew my Uncle Eddie, who wasn't really my uncle, but was my dad's best friend growing up. So like there's a connection, and then the woman also loves cats, and we have cats, and like I wrote her a really nice kind of like personal letter when we put in our offer, and we want to keep some of the furniture, so I'll show you that. But I mentioned the cats, and she just said, we actually ended up running into her the day we got the keys. She was getting some stuff from a neighbor, and we ran into her in the parking lot, and she was so, so lovely. And she said that when she saw us, she actually had a camera to watch her mom before she went to the nursing home. And she said that when she saw us walk through the first time, she knew she was going to pick us. And I just thought that was the sweetest thing ever. So we're so grateful for her. She actually left us some things. She was so sweet. She left us like champagne, cat treats, cat toys, like, oh my gosh, the cutest thing ever. But we're gonna walk in and show you everything. So here is the door. That's all I'm gonna show you. I don't wanna show you the outside, but we're gonna flip the camera and I'll start showing you around. Okay, so when you walk in, this is what you're gonna see first. Excuse any like mess or unfinished things. Obviously, like I said, we've only been here for 8 days. So first you walk in, you'll see this, which was at my house. I'm keeping my purse in it. This lamp, which my aunt got us. This is actually Jimmy's old couch. So for now we're using this. We have another one we picked out, but it's expensive, so this one's fine. I got this pillow at Target. This stuff I've had for a while. I think that's from Target too. And then we did our photo while we started. Anyway, we're definitely going to expand on this. So you might recognize some of the stuff from my house, and then a lot of it is Jimmy's as well. Here we have his old coffee table with some stuff on it. This rug is from Amazon. I'm obsessed with it. And I have some tape in the corners to keep it down. My old chair, my desk, some stuff for work, little fan because it gets hot. My old, what I use as a TV stand, it's really an end table, so we have that. One of Jimmy's old lamps, these curtains, which I am obsessed with, I gotta say. These are my favorite things. I literally wasn't worried about window coverings when we first got here, but it was so hot we needed to block out the sun. So I got these window coverings. They're all from Target. The rods, the actual curtains, and then the white ones are all from Target. They're on sale. This is my old mirror that was on my dresser, my vanity at home. So we put that here, more of the same curtain. Down here we have the little cat thing that I had. We have another cat tree, and another set of curtains. This is Jimmy's. It's from Lord of the Rings, if you don't recognize it. Here we have a little Grogu with this little cat thing I got that's too small for them. This is one of the pieces that we kept. I love it. It's mid-century modern. It's really actually mid-century modern too, not like modern mid-century modern. Like this is from like the 60s, 50s. I love this piece so much. And I will show you some before pictures as well, so you can kind of see what it looked like when we saw it. I actually took my VCR from home because I brought some VCR tapes. This is from my grandma, this little stand. We weren't going to use it, but the fan like is necessary. A lot of fake plants. Those are pretty much all from Target. I'm going to push that on there. Jimmy's bookshelf thing, which I love. So we put a mixture of our stuff on. And then if you come back to the front door here, to the left behind the door, we put this mirror. So you can check yourself before you go. Then we're gonna put like down here right now, it's just my shoes, but we're gonna put like a little, we're planning to like a bench. So you can sit, you can put your purse, mail, shoes underneath. Here we have our coat closet with the little friends thing my sister got us. These bags are supposed to go to each of our cars for grocery shopping. I'm not going to show you in the closet. We just have a bunch of random stuff in there right now. But it's a decent size. This is another piece of furniture that came with the place that we requested. So I absolutely love this. It's called a credenza, I believe. So in the bottom we have some stuff that we stored, and then at the top we have like a mix of all of our stuff. So like we have some of my Funko Pops, my friend's Lego, then some of Jimmy's stuff. Oh, I stepped on a pussycat. There he is. We actually brought them the first day we moved in, and they've been pretty good. I mean, not well behaved, but they've been adjusting. Another piece we got, a dining set, which I'm obsessed with. It's kind of used, but like totally obsessed with it. This is something I would have bought on my own, and they go really expensive. So it's 6 chairs anyway, and it does expand. So we have the leaf for the table in the attic if we wanted to expand it. We have this gorgeous Star Wars puzzle that I had given Jimmy, I want to say our first Christmas together. Maybe not, but we framed that. Okay, then we have these curtains, which I also love. I got these from Bed Bath Beyond. This door is kind of old, and you can see like we had to patch up the screen. And then we have like a little deck here, so we are on the second floor. And I just got this little set. It was a gift on Amazon. I picked that out, and it was like, I don't remember how much, but it was just a little thing on Amazon. Jimmy's aunt actually got us that, so that was lovely. And then coming in here, what we did like one of the first days was this right here was like duct tape. So my dad helped us do this. We bought it at the store and got that done. And then here is the kitchen. I really love it. I think it's super cute. So we have a little motion sensor garbage. Let's start this way. So we have a dishwasher that doesn't work. We're going to try to fix it ourselves. We have an air fryer. It's a Ninja Foodie. I absolutely love it that it folds up, takes that counter space back. They're trying to eat my fake plant. What are we doing over here? Hey, you my little troublemaker. My little troublemaker. Why don't you go look outside? Look. Be a good boy. So, oh, I didn't show you the light. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I don't love the ceiling. You can see we need to get some work done. We have this in here. And then anyway, back to here. So we move up. We got some cabinets that don't close all the way. I love this dish drying rack I got on Amazon. This also from Amazon. Our sink is kind of old, but I updated all the faucets with help from my parents. So this faucet was a gift from our registry, and I believe my friend Corinne got it, and I absolutely love it. It looks so much nicer than before. So it's so great, and because it's higher up, it's easier to like wash big things and put in the Brita and stuff. Now up here we have a cute little shelf. Just put some things, blocked the picture of us, but I got this. My cousin gave it to us from our registry. It's like a little hammock for fruit. Super cute. More cabinetry. We have a knife block, which you guys saw probably in my Christmas haul. More cabinets. The exhaust fan thing. More cabinets. This, which was from Target, and then these were from Amazon for Christmas. Our oven, some Central Perk dish rags. I think my sister, I can't remember, someone got them for us for Christmas. But I will be changing this eventually. Like I'll just put some kind of like contact paper, just because this is so gross and old and terrible. But that I will be changing. I also will be painting all of these black to match that. I just think it looks so much nicer. And then this rug actually matches the one in the living room, and I thought it looked super nice. It pulls it all together. Then we have our fridge over here. I would love it to not be this kind. I just think there's not enough room in the freezer, but what you can do. Here we have a microwave we actually bought because it obviously isn't the kind that goes over the oven. So we got this one from Best Buy, and I absolutely love it. It's nice and small, perfect size. More cabinets. We have these on the wall. We also have some over there. I actually got Jimmy these for his birthday, the first birthday we spent together. So we were like only together for like 6 weeks. And so we put those up. And then we built these two. One was a gift from my aunt, this one, and then this one was a gift from Jimmy's mom. We put them on our registry because we wanted to at first have a table and chairs in here because it was big enough, but we figured we'll just be eating in the dining room, and that will take up a lot of room. So this we kind of thought would be more usable space. We also needed somewhere to put the coffee maker because there's no counter space for that. So it kind of gives us more room to move around. They're both carts that are removable, so I could like pull this in the middle and work on it as well. But here we have the cat food down there, coffee maker. This one's really great. We have some food and stuff in there. We got these blinds, which are not my favorite. They're just like little brown mini blinds, but I feel like they go because all the windows are black. And this is a built-in piece, which I love. This cat actually was from the owner, left it for us. I thought it was so sweet. So we have like our collection of mugs, cookie jar back from my house, and then down there we have some other stuff. This was a doorstop that the woman left us as well, the owner. I thought that was so sweet. Now we go back out here. La da da da, cat on the table. Cat on the table. Okay, so here is the hallway. So first we'll go in this way, and we have the light here, and here is our double little closet thing. Lots and lots of stuff in there. I'm not going to go in. We have a nest, which is lovely. We have my old Harry Potter mirror here. And then here we have the first bathroom. So this is my bathroom at the moment. Sorry, exhaust is going to come on. I turn the light. I painted this gold. I changed the lighting fixture, changed the faucet, put this up. I also made this different, changed the toilet seats. We have a little wooden squatty potty. Really nothing too crazy. So this is medicine cabinet. I have all my meds and my skincare and stuff in there. So I really like how this all came together. I don't love this situation. I will either be updating the vanity fully or I will paint it. I'm not sure what color yet, but I would love to paint this and this. The floor is like, we cleaned it as best as we could. Oh my goodness, what did you knock down? Anyway, back in here. So we have the shower curtain, which I picked out months ago. I love it. We also got the black rod. I love that. And then inside, whoop, I got this nice shower head. I got one for both bathrooms. It's amazing. It's almost too intense. I got all my shower stuff. This is not great. I want to update that somehow. I whitened all the grout, so it looks a lot better. I'm going to probably do the other bathroom today. And here, I don't need to show you. This is the laundry room / litter box / water heater, all that good stuff. One thing I wanted in this, I picked this bathroom because it has this storage. So obviously I needed that with all my stuff that I have. I also updated all the doorknobs. They used to be all gold. I think 1 or 2 we haven't done yet. So I got a pack of 6. So I think these are great. They're also easily, like, you can lock it, but you can unlock it from the outside if you had to. So I love those. Got this rug at Target, I believe. This was from Overstock, I want to say. Hello again. Then across the hall here, we have some artwork that Jimmy's friend did, which is from Dragon Ball Z. Then we have Jimmy's office. I won't take you too far in here, but this is the couch we had at his place. He hung up all his art. This was his, and then this we kept from the owners. This is a little clock I got him. Isn't it so fun? So this is where he works. He has a little cat tree. Out of here, we have the bedroom. Hello. Again, another black doorknob. So we got 2 little nightstands here, which we got a long time ago from Target. So I love these nightstands. This is my optimal kind of wood color. But the bed is a king, and it's from Jimmy's dad, which was just so sweet. He didn't need a bed this big, so he gave us his completely, and it's amazing. So the comforter, the quilt here is from Target. Pretty much everything is from Target. So we have that. We have my little nightstand, the same one. The light was a gift from Amazon on our registry. And then we have the curtains. These are the same, actually, that are in the dining room. These are from Bed Bath Beyond. And I just thought they went really well in here. And, like, at night in the evening when the sun comes in, it's such a cool color. We have my pink chair, back from home. We have the dresser that is from Jimmy's dad that matches the bed. We have my TV from home. We have a fan, another fan, and some cat trees. We have another nice big window here with the same curtains. And when you come in, we have our second bathroom, which we were so lucky to get because I have a lot of belly issues. So in here, again, we changed the sink here. We did this and updated all that, changed the lighting fixture. And then this I didn't paint because this is technically Jimmy's bathroom, so I didn't think he'd want the gold. Another shower curtain, which he did approve. And I think this shower curtain is from Bed Bath Beyond. It was on sale. another spotty potty, and then in the shower, I'm going to whiten it today and clean that. But this is just a standing stall shower, and I'm trying to find a way to update that part. And then more knobs that are like old and horrible. But yes, this is like a nice standing shower. It's bigger than a square, but it's not that big, if that makes sense. So we'll come out of here. Then the exciting part, we have a walk-in closet. I know, it's so exciting. So yeah, it's pretty full. I still have tons of winter clothes at my house that need to be taken in. But yeah, we have tons of stuff in here. We have a bunch of my beauty stuff that wouldn't fit anywhere else. We have clothes. So that's essentially it. That's pretty much all that we have to share. We also do have an attic. It's like a pull down stairs, that whole situation. So yeah, I'm really happy to be able to show it to you guys, and we are hoping to get the air fixed. It's working, but it's like on its last legs. We were told it's like not gonna last. We're just hoping it's gonna last the summer because it's so expensive to fix. But I love all the natural light in here. It's absolutely amazing. We never have to turn the lights on until nighttime. And yeah, I'm super happy. I know I posted on Instagram, if you follow me, I was having like a lot of anxiety when we first moved in. And it's not about moving in with my boyfriend or anything like that. We're actually only 3 minutes away from my parents, which I'm so grateful for. But I was having anxiety just because I've actually never lived anywhere but home before. Like, I've lived in the same house since I was born. I went to college for a few months, absolutely hated it, as you guys probably know if you've been here for a while. But yeah, I just my body kind of like was getting used to it. Also, the 2 weeks before we moved in, when we were cleaning and stuff, like, I was nonstop. Like, I was just constantly working, scrubbing, trying to make this place a home. We did like a deep clean, updated so much stuff. So I felt like my body like wasn't stopping. So when I finally did, we moved in and I was trying to relax, I think my body went into like a panic mode. But I feel much better now. So like I said, we've been here 8 days and I'm feeling great. I'm really happy. There is still some more work we want to do, obviously, like I said, but that will be, you know, in the future. Like, we'll probably want to update the washer dryer, and we want to fix the dishwasher and stuff. But we got really lucky here, and this is just the ideal location for his work, for my family, really for everything. It's just so perfect. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I know this was a long time coming. I told you back in like October that like we were buying stuff to move, but you guys know the market was absolutely bonkers. So it took a while, but we are here and I am so happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We do have more art to hang on the walls in the bedroom, and I want to put a stool in the sink, a stool in the kitchen for like when I'm cooking. But it's pretty much like we're pretty settled. So I'm super happy about it, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video.